Yo, back at it. Episode 4. JKL. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the previous episodes of this. I'm trying to think of stuff in every video, that I can try and add to that. Like I don't know how you guys find the sound on the videos, but I'm thinking about getting a microphone to attach to my phone as I'm recording these. And yeah, and I'm also gonna get a GoPro soon as well, so I can start going out and doing videos with paint and yeah, not needing to use my phone all the time. But yeah, just drop in the comments what you think, and also what you think I could add to the videos to, I don't know, to keep everyone engaged and whatnot. But yeah, so again, episode 4, JK and Al. Yeah, let's just get straight into it. So J, capital, non-capital, same with the I, with the dot on the top, or the dash. It's not much difference between this non-capital J and the I, except you just got the loop at the bottom, obviously. But yeah, we'll go into the capital. Again, the capital is like an I, you got the top, this part, and then instead of just capping it off here, we're going to be coming around with the hoop, with a hook. So yeah. Can also, instead of bringing that line right at the top of this stick here, come a little bit lower with it. And then, like I say, adding the things on the top, and just like in the previous video with I, we have the lightning bolt, dash, hollow circle, or even just a solid circle. See, ending a tag with a J, because that loop at the bottom's always got to come in on itself, you probably have to drag out the top. Let me think. Try and write a tag. G H I. So here now, first thought then was to just come out wide with it. Then this, I don't know, I think the proportion don't look too good, but we maybe come from the bottom. It's like a T, isn't it? A backwards T. Yeah, quite a hard letter to finish a tag with. Well, in the way I like to finish a tag anyway. To start a tag, it's fine, isn't it? You got so much space to do something with. Yeah, okay. Not a bad letter, not the best letter, but not the worst letter. Isn't something I would like to have in my name. But yeah, I mean, the non-capital version, it's like the I, there's not much we can do with it, a little flick off at the top and round, the start and round, square, triangle. Yeah, there's not much we can do with that. It all depends on your actual style, how you can do stuff with this. How do you do a J to be, that's it. Nope. You know what? I'm just realizing you know, it's just like doing the capital, but you're not doing that. It's all about this bottom part of the J, what you're going to try and add any style to. These are looking a bit like a V. U. Yeah. Moving on. Onto the letter K. I already know about this letter. I used to have a tag back in the day that started with K. I wrote that for some time. So I know about this letter. Very similar to the R. It's whatever you do with an R, you can pretty much do with a K, and like an opposite way around. But I like this letter. Yeah, so I'll talk through this letter now. So previous letters we've done, I. In the letter K, this is your I, isn't it? It's just a stick. But what you can add to this then is the top and the bottom. So that's when you're looking at these here, I mean this one here, there's my top. The circle is the bottom. Same with this, the top. And like I spoke about in the previous video with the eye, we have that, don't we? The heart. And again, what I've done here is come through.
3 weeks later.
Yeah, sorry about that. I got a call then, and now it is, I think, 3 weeks later since that call. And then during that time, my phone broke, so I had some difficulties getting the videos online because I had to get a new phone. And then yeah, but I'm back, and I got a new phone. I got a Galaxy, what's it called, Samsung Galaxy S24. So hopefully the video quality is better as well. I noticed that they don't upload in HD, so hopefully this time it's going up in HD. So yeah, you can probably tell the difference in the quality right now. I'm just trying to get the setup proper again. It's not going to look like how the last one was, but yeah, let's finish off the K. I think just before that video ended with the ringtone, I've just done this K here. So yeah, I'm looking, yeah, I don't think I spent too much time on the capital K, so I'm going to carry on from where I was. But yeah, I can't remember what I was saying, so if I've repeated myself, just don't watch that. So capital K, as you can see, very lots of different styles can be put into this capital K. You can make them wild style like this one here, or you know, make them more plain, just straight up. More of a curly style, more triangular, square. Yeah, just sort of basic. Drag that out, flick it round. We'll go on to the next sheet. I just wanted to show I was continuing on from where I left off. But yeah, again, capital K, non-capital K, same letter. So there's not much we're going to do with the non-capital, but I'm just going to run through a few different Ks. I'm not going to talk, I'm just going to freestyle a K and just, yeah, you guys just pay attention and take what you can. Yeah, so it's a good letter, man. I like this letter. I think I said it before, I used to have this in one of my old tag names. So yeah, I'm quite familiar with the K. Lots of different ways you can use it. Yeah, very good letter. Okay, what was the next letter? JKL. Yeah, not the greatest letter. There's not much to it. Capital, non-capital, and there's not much to work with. You know, it's just two lines. You see a lot of L's and they're coming down like this. I'll do this one quite often. Flick at the top first. Gotta be careful though that you don't bring that hoop over too much, because you can start looking like an E. It's more of a curly one. Square, triangular. What you can do with the letter L, this pen's dying a little bit, you can really drag this part out, especially if it's the first letter of the tag. So for instance, letter. See what I've done now? I've really exaggerated the L, and then I've kept it really simple in the middle, and then exaggerated the R at the end. And I've said in past videos, like, this is kind of my style that I like to do, using these two letters as the sort of primary letters, and this can just sort of be a bit basic, obviously with a bit of flair to it, a bit of style. You know, it's not just going to be, you know, normal letters. Then this is going to be crazy, and this is going to be crazy. Yeah, you know, there's still looks like it's got a bit of attitude about it, doesn't it? But yeah, the letter L, and like I said there, that's a good way to start it. Exaggerate that bit there, and then to end the tag, I'm going to just write letter backwards. So let's do the R, E, T, T, E, and then so you can come high and really flick that out. Come circular. Come with the hoop, the loop at the end. So give me a lighter colour. So I just want to show you, you know, just keep that same tag, but just do some different letters on it. Yeah, so, you know, like I just said first, we can do sort of a kind of an exaggerated letter. You know, really bring that out, flick it around. See, it's really exaggerated. It's quite, style's quite heavy on it. Or you could come more circle based, sort of match this beginning of the R. You know, like I said, loop it. Doesn't have to be that many loops. It could just be straight round out into an arrow. Come here with an arrow. Or we could come with the more square style. Then, I don't know, maybe a little flick there. And then dress it up with a star, underline, dashes. But yeah, that's the letter L. Like I said, pretty boring letter, quite difficult. I wouldn't recommend having it in your tag. But yeah, that's it. So that's what were the letters? J, K, and L. I keep missing the shout outs in the videos because I'm sort of all over the place with how I'm recording them at the minute and then uploading them. Like right now I haven't had a chance to go through, and there's been loads, like it's hard for me to sort of keep track of. But what I did say is that I'm going to start doing shout outs for people that have subscribed. So I'm going to go through the all the comments asking me to write your name. I'm just going to double check that you subscribed, because I think that's the fairest way to do it, because otherwise I could just have guys that have just stumbled across the video and be like, yeah, write my name. I think that's unfair to the people that watch the videos quite often and are subscribed. So yeah, I'll be back with the next episode, episode 5, where it will be MNO. Peace. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.